Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Swimwear with rivets or any other metal ornamentation is not permitted on the water slides. Clothing with rude, vulgar or offensive language or graphics is not permitted, and shirts cannot be turned inside out as a solution. Only waterproof swim diapers are permitted in the water and may be purchased at island traders.
Make your mark, take our lead.
May I bring my own food and beverages into Six Flags Hurricane Harbor? Food, drinks and coolers. Food, beverages, coolers and grills may not be brought into the park. The only food exceptions are for food allergies as described below and infant food, in non-glass jars. No outside beverages are permitted.
Take our lead.
No one under age 21 is permitted to consume alcoholic beverages, and proper identification is required to purchase and/or consume alcoholic beverages at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. Additionally, consumption of alcoholic beverages is not allowed in the guest parking lot.
Let's help you make your mark.
A handy guide for what to wear to a water park. Wear a swimsuit. Wear something comfortable. Check the restrictions beforehand. Pack extra clothes, and a beach towel. Try a rash vest. Wear flip-flops. Don't forget the sun cream.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To save time, eat at non-traditional lunch and dinner hours. Make sure children feel comfortable with a ride before they board. When Six Flags Hurricane Harbor is open, be sure to bring your swimsuit, towel and additional beach gear.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.